Sepik, mother of our stories, heartbeat of our people. We hear your voice. Under Avisat Sky, where the morning mist still rises, children laugh along the riverbanks, and elders speak of ancient times. From the mountains of the Highlands, your waters travel far and wide, carrying wisdom through the valleys, like a mother by our side. The crocodile watches silently, the hornbill dances in the sun. Life was born beside your waters, long before the world had come. Every ripple holds a memory, every bend recalls a name. Generations built their dreams here, and their hopes remain the same.
Leave the mighty Sepik alone.
Let our waters
Freely flow.
no mining,
No pollution.
this is all we've ever known. Under Avisat Sky, hear the voices of our land,
Protect the river of our fathers.
for the children yet to stand.
Leave the mighty Sepik alone.
Let her spirit guide us home. From Chambri Lakes the stories gather, through the tributaries deep, feeding gardens, feeding families, giving life that we must keep. To the Murik Lakes she journeys, toward the Bismarck Sea so wide. Every village shares her blessing, every clan walks by her side. The fishers cast their nets at sunrise, the mothers wash beside the shore. These are treasures far more precious than any gold beneath the floor. Can you hear the river calling? Can you hear her ancient song? Oh,
She is cared for us forever.
must we now do her wrong?
Leave the mighty Sepik alone.
Let her waters
Freely flow.
no mining.
No pollution.
Hey, this is all we've ever known. Under Avisat Sky, hear the voices of our land,
Protect the river of our fathers.
for the children yet to stand.
Leave the mighty Sepik alone.
Let her spirit guide us home. Hey!
Great Grand Chief Somari's homeland.
Where the river meets the sea,
The founding father of our nation.
dreamed of what our land could be.
Not a river stained with sorrow,
Not a river filled with pain,
but a river strong and living.
flowing free through sun and rain.
Oh,
river still remembers under Avisat Sky. The river still remembers. Leave the mighty Sepik